Alright, as you can see, this is a parts car right here. We're trying to get off this truck right now. Seatbelt is locked up too, since the airbags was blown. The roof airbags was blown, and you can see all that mildew up there. So you know this was sitting at the auction. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Rebuildz. Today, as you know, so I decided to get a parts car. So I mean, I won this car. It's pretty, I'd say, cheap. I got it for I won the bid for $2,500. So taxes and fees came up to like $3,000. So I mean, let's look at all the damage. Let's look at all the good pieces that we need, and then go from there. But anyways, like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below. Turn your post notifications on. Check us out on Rebuildz. Don't forget to copy yourself some merch from rebuildz.com. Hey, let's hop straight into this one. So let's go. So with this build, it was crazy that night. We were up about 1 o'clock in the morning try to get this car off the truck. We eventually got it off. They ended up had to use another truck to basically drag it off the truck, the trailer. But it took us a while. It was really loud, but hey, keep watching. It was great though. Hey, as you can see, we finally got the car, at least right here, close enough to the garage. We still got a long way to go. It's right in basically the middle of the walkway, but we're gonna fix that tomorrow and get that done. They're about to head on the road, so tomorrow we're gonna see all the damages on this car. But this car is pretty much a rollover, and everything I want is at the front. So yeah, let's go. So this is how it is. It was a rollover. So the windshield is damaged and all of that. But everything on the front that we need is good. The passenger fender we don't need, but I mean, the hood has some dents in it. Though the front bumper, none of that is damaged. Headlights are good. Bumper is good. So right here is where I said some of the damage is at. We're right here in the hood. So I don't know if this is fixable, or we could still get a new fender. I mean, do you have a dent in here? It probably could be pushed out and see if we could save this. We're going to try to see if we could save this, because we're trying to keep this build as small as possible. The doors right here, the driver door has a dent in it. The window is gone. Not the window, the mirror right here is gone, and all of that. But yeah, I think this was a rollover. So that's just one of the things with it. But we got some all-weather mats and all. It's dirty because it looks like it's been sitting at the auction for quite some time. So we're gonna put some gloves on, start cleaning this car out. So we got the knee airbag still good. Yeah, so this seatbelt is locked up too, since the airbags was blown. The roof airbags was blown, and you can see all that mildew up there. So you know this was sitting at the auction for quite some time. Dash looks good, but you know all that glass is broken and all. Steering wheel airbag is good. Could get some good money for that. The seats look nice. I want to say that seat over there looks like the airbag blew on that seat, and the back seats as well. So I mean, the other car didn't come with no mats, so we could probably take these mats too and go from there. But yeah, let's hop straight into this one. We're gonna start cleaning up this car, see what we could use. Most of everything that we need is on it, honestly speaking. So see, none of these pieces are damaged in the front, so we have everything that we possibly need. What I should have tried to see if I could get is one of those Freon machines, so I could take the Freon out and then put the Freon, store the Freon and put it in the other car. But all the hoses, all the little sensors and all of that, and the biggest thing is I didn't have to focus on buying another headlight because I got 2 brand new headlights where I could just take and put on the other car. So, and we did get some stuff from Rock Auto too as well. So let's go look at that. But as you can see, the whole front is mint. Nothing wrong with it. So all we're just gonna do is just start, you know, removing and replacing. So these are some of the stuff we got from Rock Auto. We got some engine oil. We got some coolant, and we do end up getting some filters. Because as you know, the whole front of this, we're gonna drain all of that out, and see what I'm gonna try to do. Instead of switching the whole alternator, I'm gonna try to see if I could just get this piece off from the other one, and then the back piece, and then just basically put it on back on the alternator. The compressor, I might just take out the sensor out of here and then just put the new one in. But all these hoses and all of that, we have to. But apart from that, we're good. So all we're gonna do is just start vacuum out the other car, start cleaning it up, and clean up the interior anyways, and then go from there. Let's go. Okay, so we got done cleaning up the car. You know, my mom did most of the vacuum, but you can see it's good, looking good. We did get some stuff. There's a whole bunch of receipts and lottery tickets in here though. But we got a light, that jumper cable, that thing right there, and I'm getting some soap that which we used to wash the mats off and stuff, and some lug nuts because I guess it has a wheel lock on it. So we have all of that stuff. But yeah, it's pretty much clean up the glass. We'll just kind of, that seatbelt is locked up. This one is not. The airbag blow on this chair and the one in the back. So, but this is the goal that we wanted. We have 2 good headlights. It's kind of pushed out a little bit, don't know why. We'll find out about this thing. See if this window is still savable. And then, where the money's at, is everything in here. It looks mint. So even though we don't need the engine and the transmission, we just need the rest of the stuff. So we have everything that we need, and pretty much the only thing on the interior we'll have to worry about is the seatbelt. And then we got these all-weather mats that we just washed, and these are the interior mats over here. So have them drying right now. So as you can see, this car took a pretty good beating. Look at the rear wheel bumper. Still can't get the trunk open yet on this side. So it did got a beating though. Okay, so as y'all could see, we did give the parts car some love. So the parts car, we ended up cleaning out the whole interior of the parts car. Now what we're gonna do is since all of that is done, I'm gonna show you inside of the car, because this is the car that we're rebuilding. The parts car is outside. What I end up doing is taking out some of the mats from the parts car, because this car didn't come with no mats. So I end up getting some all-weather mats from the parts car. Those mats are in this car right now presently. We know that the knee airbag is blown on this. That car knee airbag is good. Seatbelt is still locked up, and I think also Ford, I'm gonna have to send the seatbelt and that module to Safety Restore to have them restore those 2 things for me, so we could get the interior done. up front, we have a lot of work to do and take off it. I want to say, or I want to try to see if I can get this done within maybe 2 to 3 days, depending how fast I work. So we'll see how that goes, because we're shooting this video right now during the Memorial Day weekend, and it depends how many stuff we got going on. We'll see how much we could hop in that. But I mean, for now, I'm gonna show you the mats and we'll go from there. So these are all with the mats. You see, I end up cleaning all of them up, make them look good. Yeah, so I got this to try to start taking out a knee airbag. We haven't even started that yet, but we're gonna leave that for the next episode. But as you can see how it just looks clean. This car looks phenomenal. It's just this belt and that knee airbag, but I'm surprised those were the two things that locked up on this car, and it's still a clean title. Hey, so you see everything that's going on with this car, all the things that we need to get done. So anyways, like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below, turn your post notifications on. Don't forget to grab yourself some merch from Rebuildz.com. As you can see, I'm rocking some of the new merch right now, but this is just like a prototype for now. I still have more merch coming. I want to kind of switch it up a bit as each car comes out. I drop something new. So, but I'm kind of talking with some people that does deals with shirts and all of that. So we're working on that, but we still have a long way to go before we basically touch on that. But anyways, like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below, turn your post notifications on. Don't forget to check us out on Rebuildz.com, and don't forget to check out all our social media links. Hey, and just remember, grab yourself some merch. It supports the channel, it helps us build these cars, and help us to bring out more content for y'all. But anyways, until next time, stay positive, stay motivated, and I'll catch you in the next one.